Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness. Today we'll review essential tips to reduce your risk of diabetes. If you have diabetes in your family or otherwise are at risk, it makes sense to take some preventative steps. Here are some tips that may help prevent diabetes from developing in your life. Let's begin with a proper diet and the foods that may prevent diabetes. Research suggests that plant foods like tofu, tempeh, and edamame are important for preventing diabetes. Research also suggests that diabetics are often deficient in magnesium, so magnesium-rich foods like black beans, spinach, and almonds may help stabilize blood sugar levels. Onions and garlic are natural blood sugar regulators. Black bean soup with garlic or black bean burgers with onions would be great. Stevia is a very sweet, calorie-free herb. The extract is often sold in grocery stores and health food stores as a sweetener. It may lower blood sugar, making it a good choice for those with pre-diabetic conditions or those wishing to prevent the onset of diabetes. Exercise is especially essential for those who wish to prevent diabetes. Vigorous activity tends to lower blood sugar levels. Examples of vigorous activity include running or jogging 5 miles per hour, walking very fast at 4.5 miles per hour, bicycling more than 10 miles per hour, heavy yard work such as chopping wood, swimming freestyle laps, aerobics, competitive basketball, and tennis singles. Exercise usually results in weight loss if it's practiced regularly and properly. Maintaining a healthy body weight is key to diabetes prevention. Studies suggest that chronic stress may increase the risk of developing diabetes. Reduce stress through stretching, quiet daily meditation, prayer and worship, or other forms of stress reduction. Research suggests that high blood pressure may even trigger the onset of diabetes. Reducing high blood pressure may also help prevent diabetes. In addition to the lifestyle changes previously discussed, consider reducing the sodium in your diet, limiting alcohol consumption, and cutting back on caffeine to lower your blood pressure and reduce your risk of diabetes. High fructose corn syrup and white sugar are linked to diabetes risk. Consider avoiding soda, candy, sweetened yogurt, store-bought salad dressings, frozen convenience foods like TV dinners, canned fruits, fruit juice, boxed dinners, granola bars, breakfast cereals, and grocery store bakery items. It's important to read labels to identify other sources of high fructose corn syrup. Trans fats and saturated fats are on the do not eat list, being artery clogging fats that trigger type 2 diabetes symptoms. Some examples include pizza, beef and pork sausages, processed hot dogs, fatty bacon, barbecue ribs, and deep-fried French fries. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you find this content useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend, and repost. Treasures from Jones posts videos 2 to 3 times per week, so hit the notification button so you'll know when the next video is posted. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.